everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do this creepy clown makeup look. I'm starting off using my Mehron Clown White Light Cream and applying it all over my face using a makeup sponge. Then I'm just going to set that in using a white powder. This one is from the brand Harlow. Next, I'm going to start outlining the teeth for the crazy clown mouth I'm going to do. I'm using a black liquid liner. This one is the Revlon Colorstay liquid liner. And I'm just drawing a bunch of random teeth. This part doesn't have to be perfect. It's just to kind of plan where I want the final teeth to be and how big I want the mouth to be. So you can draw however many teeth you want, just making the outlines. Then I'm going in with my Mehron Paradise palette. I'm using the black color and a small paintbrush to fill in the mouth and fill between all the teeth. Now I'm using the red color from the same palette and making a thin outline around the entire mouth. Going back to that black color, I'm using that to completely cover my eyelids and a bit under my eyes. Then I'm just gonna loosely draw two triangles above my eyes. And then I'm gonna be touching those up later on. I used my eyeliner to draw two little triangles under my eyes since it has a smaller tip, and then making these little funky eyebrows. Then I'm going to start making a bunch of little lines and marks around my eyes. I'm alternating between using a felt tip pen, which has a thicker tip, and the liquid liner just to get a mix of thicker and thinner lines around my eyes. Then I'm going back in a bit with the black from my Mehron palette just to darken up around the eyes and also paint a little black clown nose. And I'm going to touch up some little black areas also. Next, I'm taking a black eyeshadow just to further darken around my eyes and make them super shadowy and creepy looking. Also adding some shadow to my clown nose and around the edges of my mouth. And inside the black part of my mouth just to mattify it a bit more. Now I'm using this Sephora white ink liner and I'm going to make some small white marks on my nose and slightly under my eyes. Then I'm using the liner to sharpen all of my teeth and make them nice and pointy looking. And then I'm also gonna go over each tooth to make it slightly more white. I just feel like it enhances it and makes the teeth pop even more. Now I'm going in with the same Sephora ink liner but in black. And I'm using this to sharpen up some of the black lines. This liner has a thin tip, so it makes it easy to do some little touch-ups. Also going in to touch up some little areas around the teeth. and then making some crazy little random lines around the mouth. And then I'm going in with a black eyeshadow just to blend them out because some of them were a bit harsh looking. Now I'm just using the black shadow around the edges of my face to add some dimension and make it a bit darker. Also adding more shadow around my eyes just to make them super dark. Now I'm done with the makeup and just need to pop some crazy contacts in. I'm using 2 different lenses. I believe these are both from TTDeye. So there you go. Give this video a like if you enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see some more spooks, and I will see you next time.